Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we are going to go over my stock portfolio, my stash portfolio, excuse me. I do have 12 brokerage accounts that I do go over, similar to this. Not every day. When I start and end my challenges of my swing trades, I will go over the portfolios, with how much free stock I got or how many swing trades I got. And then when I hit some all-time highs every once a week or so, then I'll post an update. But other than that, I just go through them with daily gains. I also provide stock picks 7 days a week, as I do analyze stock 7 days a week and things of that nature. And I show price movements. And through these 12 brokerages that I have through this House Money Challenge, I am 100% transparent. There is a link in the description if you want to click that link to get a free share from Robinhood. Go ahead and take advantage of that. Could be a share of Coca-Cola or something like Google. You can liquidate those shares right away, or you can do like I would do, which is just hold it long term. What I do on the House Money strategy is accumulate free shares by deploying capital into the market. Pulling that capital out, leaving my gains in the market. So let's get into it. This is a stash account. It's valued at the personal portfolio is valued at $2,447.70. I have buying power of $55.28. My total gains are $465.64, up 8.32%. Whoa. And we'll take a look at some of my holdings here, as I do got a lot of holdings, so I'm going to try to breeze through it as quickly as possible. I keep clicking on the wrong thing. Sorry about that. There we go. All right, my best holding at the moment is Baidu. Invest $45. It is 3% of the portfolio. That's $45 now worth $85.11. It is up 89.13%. Then we got Plug Bauer. I put in $21 in Plug. It's 2% of the portfolio. That $21 now worth $40.11. It is up 91.2%. Then we got Blue Chips, which is an ETF. Put in $32. That $32 now worth $48.64. It is up 50.95%. Then we got Consumer Comforts. Put in $34. It is now worth $50.44. And it is up 47.95%. Then we got Modern Meds. We put in $40. It's worth $52.26. It is up 30.45%. Then we got Copy the Experts, which we put in $35.92. It's now worth $47.26. It is up 31.56%. Then we got Neo. All these are going to be 1% of the portfolio or less. Neo, we put in $4.57. It is now worth $15.47. It is up 238.43%. Then we got All That Glitters, put in $27. It's now worth $35.47. It is up 31.35%. We got Water the World. Put in $23. It is now worth $30.88, up 34.8%. Bank of Hawaii, put in $19, now worth $26.79. It is up 39.46%. We got Home Sweet Home, put in $16. It's now worth $23.61, and it is up 47.10%. Then we got Mantech International Corp, put in $16. It is up 47%. It is now worth $23.64. Put $3 in Lemonade. It is now worth $10.37. It's up 245.61%. Put $21 and Do the Right Thing. It's up 28.41. Up percentage-wise, 34.70. Then we got Sirius Logic. Put in $21. It's now worth $27.42. It's up 30.59%. Then we got Tesla. We put in $7.88. It is now worth $13.76. Up 74.78%. Put $20 in Fastly. It's now worth $25.86, up 29.28%. Then we got Women Who Lead, put in $24.09. It's now worth $29.47, up 22.33%. We got Simon Property Group, put in $14. It's worth $19. It's up over 35%. Put $14 in GM. It's worth $19, up over 34%. Bank of Montreal, put in $18. Worth $22, up over 26%. Put $4 in Upwork. Now it's worth $8, up 112.67%. Concierge Gaming, put in $25, worth over $29, up over 17%. Put $29 in Fubu TV. It's worth a little bit more than $33, up over 14%. Put in just over $6 in Under Armour. It's worth over $10, up 67.91%. Put in a little bit over $27 in Autodesk. It's up over $31. worth a little bit more than 15%. Then we put a little bit more than $15 in Purdue Financial. It's worth $19.47, up 27.56%. $28 in Viacom. It's worth $32.18, up 14.93%. Then we put $37 in XPing. It's worth $41.17, up 11.28%. Then we put $12.57 in Peloton. It's worth $16.73, up 33.8%. Put $6.15 in C Limited. It's now worth $10.21, up 66.15%. Then we put $13.10 in Big Money. It's now worth $17.05, up 30.16%. We put $33.18 in Conservative Mix. It's now worth $37.05, up 11.66%. Put 14 in Doctor, worth $17, up 27%. Put 6 in Virgin Galactic, it's worth $10, up 60%. Put 13 in Modena, it's worth $16, up 28%. Put $6 in Roku, up now to $10, up 59%. Put $12 in Combat Carbon, it's worth $15, up 30%. Put 26 in Aggressive Mix, it's worth $29, up 12%. We put $6 in Brookfield Property REIT, it's up 48%. We put $8 in Ford, it's up 38%. Put $8 in Proto Labs, up 33%. Put $4 in Bancorp South Bank, it's up 55%. Put $4 in Run, it's up 66%. $18 in Take Two, it's up 13%. Then we got Raw Earth, put $20 in, it's up 12%. Cullen Frost and Bankers is up 35%. Modern Mix is up 9%. Lee Auto is up 23%. Raven Industries is up 12%. AAR Corp is up 8%. AI Top Picks is up 43%. NIU Technologies is up 28%. Clean Energy is up 10%. We got CVS up 37%. Dell is up 26%. Open Doors up 37%. US Foods is up 9%. Delicious Dividends is up 18%. We got Air Products and Chemicals up 13%. American Dividends Midcap up 5%. Bloom Energy up 4%. The Walt Disney Company up 17%. Big Business Bonds Long Term up 4%. Celsius Holdings up 61%. Facebook is up 7%. Discover Financials is up 14%. Long Haul Bonds is up 5%. Avnet is up 41%. Wells Fargo is up 15%. BLOK is up 2%. Walgreens is up 14%. EA is up 7%. Big Business Bonds Midterms up 11%. Texas Instruments is up 6%. Big Business Bonds Short Terms up 1.94%. Inflation Defense Short Terms up 3.24%. WB Carries up 5.52%. Luminar Technologies up 2%. Stock Nationwide up 4%. Skyworks up 5%. Welltower put in $3. Zillow we put in $1. SoftBank we put in $31. Bond Nationwide is less than 1% of the portfolio. Then we got EPR Properties valued at $15. KBR is valued at $6. International Leaders is valued at $22. Uber's up 10%. Foot Locker's up 11%. Patterson's Company's up 2%. Lowe's is up 12%. Unilever is up 2%. Telos is up 10%. Fiverr is up 22%. We got Ross up 6%. Spotify up 7%. Intel up 5%. International Exchange Inc. up 11%. Southern Company up 2%. Bank of America is up 16%. We got Apple up 3%. BCE is valued at $35.21. Pinterest up 4%. Yelp is up 1%. Caterpillar up 12%. Volkswagen up 18%. JP Morgan up 18%. Tencent up 8%. Fox is up 7%. Target's up 14%. Store Capital's up 11%. DocuSign is up 12%. Newmont Gold Corp's up 1.56%. Cisco we put in $3.77. Tilio we put in $1.40. Chevron we put in $6.17. Match the market values up 4%. Up and Coming's up 6%. Uncle Sam Long Term is worth $36.06. Johnson & Johnson's up 5%. Nike up 5%. Square up 3%. Abby's up 5%. American Express up 4%. Gold Diggers is worth $32.04. American Innovators is up 3%. Wynn Resorts is worth $2.02. Bond Junk Bonds worth $8.08. VF Corp's worth $1.82. We got Honeywell worth $1.01. Slacks worth $12.77. Lulu's worth 99 cents. Starbucks is worth 99 cents. Dropbox is worth $3.38. Hershey's is down 1%. Costco's down 2%. Amazon's down 2%. AMD down 2%. Pepsi down 2%. 3M's down 4%. PPL's down 2%. Mega Healthcare is down 5 cents. Dan & Broad Holdings down 6 cents. Visa is down 6 cents. Rate Hot Refugees is down 6 cents. Verizon's down 6 cents. S&P Global is down 7 cents. Coca-Cola's down 7 cents. ADP is down 9 cents. Goldman Sachs is down 9 cents. Nikola is down 10 cents. Alibaba is down 10 cents. Qualcomm is down 9 cents. Honda is down 13 cents. Switchback Energy is down 0.39%. Beyond Meat is down 15 cents. Stag is down 1%. Boeing is down 8.75%. Realty Income is down 2%. UPS down 5%. AT&T down 8%. Iron Mountain down 4%. Real Estate of the Union is down 1.24%. FedEx is down 15%. Pfizer is down 10%. PLTR is down 5%. Whirlpool is down 1%. Cyrus One is down 6%. Defending America is down 12%. General Mills down 10%. Golden Nuggets down 22.99%. American Airlines is down 14%. Rubicon is down 14%. SIG is down 18%. XL Fleet's down 34%. And the biggest loss is Multiplan Corp. Put in $30. It is down 29.44%. Total loss of $8.83. That's the biggest loss. So yeah, that concludes the stash portfolio. As you can see, I have a lot of holdings, very diverse. But at the end of the day, I am up, like I said, up over 8%, profiting over $400 or $500, valued a little over $2,400. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, follow my journey. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.